Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure your iPad and account are ready. Update iPadOS so permissions behave predictably. This avoids unexpected prompts. Once updated, install Google Meet or plan to use Safari. Sign into the Google account you will use for meetings. If you use multiple accounts, pick the primary one now. These steps make later permission requests consistent and prevent sign-in conflicts, so you won't waste time toggling accounts during a call. Next, give Meet access to camera and microphone so audio and video work. Go to Settings, Privacy, and enable camera and microphone for the Meet app. If using Safari, allow camera and mic under websites when prompted. Then open Meet and accept device prompts. If you miss a prompt, return to Settings to enable them manually. Also enable notifications and background app refresh for smoother reconnection during calls. These settings ensure you join meetings with audio and video active. Finally, join the meeting by tapping the link or opening Meet, select the camera and microphone, then tap Join. Once in, check the on-screen mute and camera icons. Make sure Do Not Disturb is off and volume is up. If you can't be seen or heard, close and reopen the app, then revisit settings to confirm permissions. If problems persist, restart the iPad or reinstall the Meet app. These steps clear cached permission states and resolve most connectivity issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.